Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, my mom's gonna make a zombie look on my face. Now let's get started.
Okay guys, I know you can't see me, but I'm gonna be doing a zombie look on my son today, and I'm gonna fast forward it so it can be fast. And yeah, are you excited?
Yep. I'm gonna look real scared for y'all.
So yeah, let's get started, you guys. Okay, you guys, all I'm going to be doing is filling or shading in his eye with red, black, and a burgundy color, which I'm going to show you later in the video. All I'm going to do is just shade it in. I was going to do his nose, but I decided not to because it just didn't look right. So I just did his eyes, and like I contoured his cheeks and put it on his forehead. As you will see, I know I didn't really show it, so you see right here, like I put it on his forehead and contoured his cheeks and his chin, just to make him look like the dead effect, you know, everything sucked in and stuff. So I'm going to show you the colors, so don't worry what I used, and all I'm doing is just shading everything in. So you guys, I use this red in here, this color red, and I used like this color, like a burgundy color, and I mixed those two with black, just any color black. It's the red in here, a black, and any burgundy shade you can find that looks like this. It makes his face look a little bruised and, like, you know, dead. So that's how he look right now. You like it or what?
Yeah.
So now I'm going to so I feel like I'm grabbing his hair, but I'm not. It's just I have to like hold him because he keeps moving, but trust me, I'm not pulling it like anything like that. Close your eyes. Like that. You see, he look a little, you know, dead. I contoured his cheeks and his chin. So that's how he's looking right now. I'm not putting contacts in his eyes because he's too young for that, but for me. So yeah, now I'm going to apply the latex, his bite marks. Well, you said you want on your neck, but I don't think they can see that. So I'm gonna put one on his forehead right here, and just like one on his cheek like I did last year. So I'm gonna fast forward it, and I'm gonna tell you what I do step by step. Hey guys, all you're gonna need is a box of tissues. It looks like this, and some liquid latex. I got this from Walmart, and it's very easy. So what you're gonna do is tear the tissue. It depends how big you want your zombie bite to be, but since he, you know, he's little, I'm not gonna have it that big. So I broke the tissue apart into pieces, and yeah, I'm just gonna like break it and make it look like, you know, tear the edges like that. I'm gonna show you. Just tear it up to make it look, you know, like somebody bit into his forehead. So that's what I'm gonna do. So first, it comes with a stick like this. But if you don't have this, you can use anything like a brush or a painter brush like this. Doesn't matter, anything you can use, your finger. First, you want to take a little bit of the latex. Like I said, wherever you want to place it, do that. And then I'm gonna put it right here on his forehead. It smells strong, okay, Poppy? So don't mind it. It's just strong. It's like a strong. You can close your eyes if you want. And then I'm going to just put the tissue. So first, apply the liquid latex, and then, oh, look at you, you're a good model. Just apply the liquid latex and then apply the tissue, and then apply liquid latex on top again, and then apply tissue. I'm probably gonna do like 3 layers of this, and go from there. So we're gonna let this dry and we're gonna start up here. Is it dry? Nope, it's still wet, you guys. All right, you guys, so it's like dry now. So I'm gonna take some tweezers. I'm gonna take some tweezers and I'm just gonna like put a hole in the middle. So it's like this. Be careful not to, you know, hurt the person you're doing it to or yourself. It's just like, see, look, it's a hole right there, and go from there. Don't like, you don't need to pinch it anymore. Just go from there. Like, take the hole and pull it apart. I don't know if you guys can see that hole. So I'm just gonna be pulling it apart like that. Oh, I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'm just gonna be pulling it apart to make it look like it's a big hole in there. And it's good to like have like, it look like a skin, you know? So that's what I'm going to be doing. All right, there you go. How you feeling?
Good.
Alrighty, so now that we did that, we're going to do the outside. So you see the 3 colors that I showed you before? We're gonna do that. So we're gonna have the red. I'm just gonna mix the red, the black, and a little bit of that burgundy shade that I showed you guys already. Doesn't matter, just as long as you have those 3 shades. And I'm just going to blend it out. And also, you guys, I'm gonna also get some foundation. A little bit of mine, even though he's lighter than me, I'll probably have to get my concealer because he's real lighter than me. And color, like, put the concealer right here so it can look like his skin. I'm just doing this around the wound so it look like it's bruised, and you know, it can look like it's dead skin. Hope you guys can see that. So I'm just gonna be shading it. So you guys, I got some concealer and I'm just going to like conceal this part to make it look like his skin color, even though it's probably
Oh, it looks like it's my skin color.
it look like your skin color?
Yeah, already?
So like I said, he is lighter than me, so that's the best I can do for that. And you know, just add a little bit. You can use foundation if your son or daughter, or even you know, just to do that part. Now you're gonna need a black pencil or black paint, and I'm gonna fill this hole right here. I'm just gonna color in it. Color it in. So just color it in so it'll look like it's, you know, you can't see his skin. It'll look like a wound. Then I'm going to keep blending the sides, like I don't want to see any white. I see white right there. Put your head up, puppy. So I don't want to see any white. So now it's time for what? Blood. So I got some zombie blood. Blood. And I'm just going to put some blood on this wound. Inside the wound. And just like be creative with it, you know? Splat, 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 splat. So have it look like it's dripping outside. I think so. Look at me. Oh, no, no. How you look? How you like it?
Good.
We're gonna put more blood, you guys, so don't worry. But let's start on the neck. So we're gonna start on the neck now. We're gonna do the same steps that we did before. You don't need to look, puppy. Or you'll look after. We're gonna do the same steps we did on the forehead. So we're gonna pinch a hole. Like I said, be careful because you don't want to hurt the person or yourself. So let me see. Okay, so he said he wanted like put some blood on his chest to make it look like he's like scratched up and stuff. And that's why he wanted his shirt off, right? Yeah. Like he's scratched up and stuff. Like, ugh. So I want to put like a little bit of blood by your mouth. Look like you just ate somebody too. So I'm gonna use those 3 colors again. That's all you need, you guys. Just 3 simple colors to do this, and some blood and some latex glue. Yeah. And I'm just gonna put, oh, no, some blood right there. You're like, oh, don't put it in my mouth. All right. What did you just eat? And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in our next video. Bye. Guys.